Awaken XT is more than just a supplement, it's your key to unlocking the full potential of your mind. Crafted with care, this powerful formula is a symphony of natural ingredients and specific nutrients. Designed to elevate not just your brain health, but your entire cognitive experience. Imagine a world where mental clarity, concentration, and memory work together seamlessly to enhance every aspect of your life. That's precisely what Awaken XT aims to deliver. Whether you're tackling work projects, diving into your studies, or navigating the challenges of daily life, this supplement is your companion in the journey to cognitive excellence. Feel the surge of increased mental clarity as you conquer cognitively demanding tasks with ease. Experience improved concentration, allowing you to immerse yourself in tasks for extended periods. Watch as your memory becomes sharper, aiding in better retention and recall of crucial information. But that's not all. Users have reported an uplifted mood and an overall sense of well-being. Taking Awaken XT is a breeze. Simply follow the instructions on the packaging. Generally, 1 to 2 capsules a day, preferably with a meal, is the recommended dosage. Results may vary from person to person, but many users have reported feeling the positive effects after just a few weeks of consistent use. It's not just a supplement. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Awaken XT isn't a magic fix, but when combined with a healthy lifestyle, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient rest, it becomes a catalyst for more effective and lasting results. Ready to elevate your mental clarity and focus? Awaken XT is your partner on this journey. Click the link below to seize the opportunity and experience the benefits for a more productive and fulfilling life. Unleash the power of your mind with Awaken XT, because your potential knows no bounds.